Welcome to the world of Longhi, where you're about to enter a whole new coffee experience. You'll discover why good coffee is a way of life in Italy, and espresso, thanks to Longhi, you can now make it easily at home. With proper use and a little care, you can enjoy delicious espresso or cappuccino coffee in minutes. Before you start to use your machine, there are a few things you need to know. Read the instruction booklet and follow the safety guidelines, just as you would when using any other electrical appliance for the first time. Before using your coffee machine, wash the accessories using warm water and a little detergent and give them a good rinse. First time you use the appliance, select the language. To set English, plug the appliance into the outlet and wait for the appliance to display Press OK to select English. Press the OK button for at least 3 seconds until the appliance displays English selected. After 5 seconds, the appliance displays Fill Tank. To fill, remove the tank, rinse and fill with fresh water. Never exceed the max line. Put the tank back and push as far as it will go. The appliance now displays Press OK. Place a cup under the hot water spout. Press the OK button, and after a few seconds, a little water will run out from the spout. Running water stops automatically. The appliance displays Turning off, please wait, and it goes off. Fill the container with coffee beans. Press the on-off button. The appliance displays Heating up, please wait, to indicate preheating is underway. Once preheating is completed, the appliance displays Rinsing, please wait, and performs an automatic rinse cycle. A little hot water runs from the spouts and is collected in the drip tray below. The appliance now displays the ready message, Ready, strong taste. Preparing coffee using coffee beans. The appliance is preset to make coffee with a strong taste. You can also choose coffee with a mild or regular taste. To choose the required taste, press the Coffee Strength Selection button. The selected coffee taste will be displayed. Place 1 cup under the spouts to make 1 coffee or 2 cups for 2 coffees. For a creamier coffee, lower the spouts to bring them as close to the cups as possible. Press the 1-shot espresso button to make a coffee, the 2 shots espresso button for 2 coffees, and the 1 Americano coffee button for an American coffee. The appliance now grinds the beans and starts brewing coffee into the cup. Once the desired quantity has been reached, the appliance automatically stops delivering the coffee and ejects the grounds into the coffee grounds container. After a few seconds, the ready message is displayed again and you can make another coffee. Use cups that have been preheated by rinsing them with hot water or by leaving them for at least 20 minutes on the cup warmer tray on top of the appliance with the appliance on. While the appliance is making the coffee, delivery can be stopped at any time by pressing the 1 or 2 shots espresso or 1 Americano coffee button as previously selected. As soon as delivery is complete, to increase the quantity of coffee, simply press and hold the 1 or 2 shots espresso or 1 Americano coffee button as previously selected until the desired quantity is reached. This operation must be performed within 3 seconds from when coffee delivery from the spouts ceases. The appliance counts the number of coffees made. every 14 single coffees or 7 doubles, the appliance displays empty grounds container, indicating that the grounds container is full and must be emptied and cleaned. To clean, open the service door at the front by pulling the handle, remove the drip tray, empty and clean. Empty the grounds container and clean thoroughly, making sure all residues deposited on the bottom are removed. Changing the quantity of coffee in the cup. The appliance is factory preset to automatically deliver the following quantities of coffee: 1 coffee, 2 coffees, American coffee. To change these quantities, proceed as follows. Press the button corresponding to the quantity you want to change for at least 8 seconds until the message "Program Quantity" is displayed. When the coffee in the cup reaches the required level, press the same button again to memorize the new amount. Regulating the coffee mill. After making the first coffees, you will find that coffee delivery is either too fast or too slow, in drips. The grinding coarseness regulator can be adjusted. Turning it 1 click clockwise speeds up coffee delivery. Turning it 1 click counterclockwise slows down delivery, giving a creamier appearance. The grinding coarseness regulator must only be turned when the coffee mill is on. Preparing espresso or coffee using ground coffee instead of beans. Press the button to select the ground coffee function. This disables the coffee mill function. The appliance displays "Ready Pre-Ground." Lift the central lid, place 1 level measure of ground coffee in the funnel, and proceed as described previously. You can make just 1 coffee at a time by pressing the 1 or 2 shots espresso or 1 Americano coffee button once only. Once the coffee has been delivered, to go back to making coffee using beans, deactivate the ground coffee function by pressing the button again. Hot water delivery. Position a container under the spout. Always make sure the appliance is ready. Press the hot water button. The appliance displays hot water, and hot water is delivered from the water spout into the container below. Once the set quantity of hot water has been reached, delivery stops automatically. To stop the flow, press the button again. The appliance is factory preset to automatically deliver 8.5 ounces of hot water. To change these quantities, proceed as follows. Press the hot water button for at least 8 seconds, then release. The appliance displays hot water program quantity. When the hot water in the cup reaches the required level, press the same button again to memorize the new amount. Preparing latte or cappuccino, milk with coffee. Remove the frothed milk lid from the milk container. Fill the container with about 3.5 ounces of milk for each cappuccino to be prepared. Never exceed the max level, corresponding to about 25 ounces, marked on the container. Make sure the milk intake tube is correctly inserted in the rubber washer, then put the lid on the milk container. Remove the hot water spout and attach the milk container to the nozzle, making sure the arrow on the container lid is lined up with the arrow on the control panel of the appliance. Position the milk tube and then place a sufficiently large cup under the coffee and milk spouts. If you want to make cafe latte, which is hot milk plus coffee, put the froth regulator on cafe latte. If you want to make cappuccino using non-fat milk, put the froth regulator on cappuccino non-fat. If you want to make cappuccino frothed milk plus coffee using whole milk, put the froth regulator on cappuccino. Press the latte cappuccino button. The appliance displays cappuccino or latte, and after a few seconds, the frothed milk is delivered from the milk spout into the cup below. Delivery stops automatically. The appliance then grinds the beans, delivers the coffee, and displays the ready message again. The cappuccino is ready. Sweeten to taste, and if desired, sprinkle the froth with a little cocoa powder. To ensure the milk frother is absolutely clean and hygienic after making cappuccinos, clean the channels inside the milk container lid. Place a cup under the milk spout. Press the Clean button on the frothed milk container lid and hold down for at least 8 seconds. The appliance displays Cleaning. After cleaning is complete, remove the milk container and place in the refrigerator. Preparing steamed or frothed milk without coffee. Remove the lid of the milk container. Fill the container with the quantity of milk you want to prepare. Put the lid on the milk container. Attach the milk container to the appliance. Place a sufficiently large cup under the milk spout. If you want to prepare frothed milk using whole milk, put the froth regulator on cappuccino stamped on the milk container lid. If you want to prepare frothed milk using non-fat milk, put the froth regulator on cappuccino non-fat. If, on the other hand, you want to prepare hot milk, put the froth regulator on latte. Press the cappuccino button twice. The appliance displays frothing or steaming, and after a few seconds, the milk is delivered from the milk spout into the cup below. The appliance is factory preset to automatically deliver a standard cappuccino. To change these quantities, proceed as follows. Press the cappuccino button for at least 8 seconds, then release the button. The appliance displays Milk for Cappuccino Program Quantity and starts to run off milk. Once the required quantity of milk has been run off, press the button again. Milk delivery stops and the quantity is memorized. After a few seconds, the appliance delivers coffee into the cup and displays Coffee for Cappuccino Program Quantity. Once the required quantity of coffee has been delivered, press the same button again. Coffee delivery stops and the quantity is memorized. The appliance is now reprogrammed with the new settings and displays Ready. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning the coffee maker. The drip tray is fitted with a level indicator showing the level of water it contains. When the indicator starts to become visible, the drip tray must be emptied and cleaned. Check that the holes in the coffee spout are not blocked. To unblock them, scrape the dry coffee residues away with a needle. Cleaning the infuser. The infuser must be cleaned regularly to avoid the buildup of coffee incrustations which could cause malfunction. Turn the appliance off by pressing the on-off button and wait for the display to go off. Open the service door. Remove the drip tray in the grounds container and clean. Press the 2 red release buttons on the infuser and pull it out. Wash the infuser under running water without using detergents. Clean the inside of the appliance thoroughly. Replace the infuser by sliding it onto the supports and pin at the bottom, then push the push symbol fully in until it clicks into place. Replace the drip tray, complete with the grounds container. Close the service door. Changing and setting the menu parameters. Setting the clock. To set the clock, proceed as follows. Press the Menu button and the light over the button comes on. Press the Change button to set the clock. If you hold the Change button down, the time is changed rapidly. Press the OK button to confirm the value. Press the Menu button to exit programming mode or Next to change other parameters. Setting Auto Start Time. This programs the time the appliance will come on automatically. Make sure the clock on the appliance is set as described above. Press the Menu button, then press the Next button repeatedly until the appliance displays Start Time. Press the Change button to set the Auto Start Time. Press the OK button to confirm the value. Press Next once and the appliance displays the message Auto Start No. Press the Change button to modify the function. The appliance displays Auto Start Yes. Press the OK button to activate Auto Start. Press the menu button to exit programming mode or the next button to change other parameters. Descaling. Over time, the continuous heating up of the water used to make the coffee leads to lime scale building up in the inner circuits of the appliance. When the appliance displays the message descale, you should perform the descale cycle. Make sure the appliance is ready. Press the menu button. The light over the button will come on. Then press the next button repeatedly until the appliance displays descale no. Press change and the appliance displays the message descale yes. Press the OK button to start the descale program. Empty the tank and pour in the contents of one bottle, 4.2 fluid ounces, of Durgold Descaler plus 32 ounces of water. Place a plastic or glass container with a minimum capacity of 50 ounces under the hot water spout. Press the OK button. Descaler runs off from the hot water spout into the container below. The appliance displays Appliance in Descale. The descale program automatically performs a series of runoffs and pauses to remove lime scale deposits from inside the coffee maker. After about 30 minutes, the appliance displays Rinsing Fill Tank. The appliance must now be rinsed through to eliminate residues of descaling solution from inside the appliance. Proceed as follows. Empty the water tank, rinse and fill with clean water. Reposition the tank. Empty the full container and then put it back under the hot water spout. Press the OK button. Hot water is run off from the spout into the container below and the appliance displays rinsing. When the water tank is empty, the appliance displays the message rinsing complete, press OK. Press the OK button and refill the water tank with clean water. The descale program is now terminated and the appliance is ready to make coffee again. Changing coffee temperature. To change the temperature of the coffee, proceed as follows. Press the menu button, the light over the button comes on, then press the next button repeatedly until the appliance displays temperature warm. Press the change button until the appliance displays the desired coffee temperature. Press the OK button to confirm the temperature selected. Changing the length of time the appliance remains on. The appliance is factory preset to go off automatically 1 hour after the last coffee has been made. The number of hours the appliance remains on can be increased as follows. Press the menu button, the light over the button comes on, then press the next button repeatedly until the appliance displays off after 1 hour. Press the change button to change the number of hours the appliance remains on. Press the OK button to confirm the value. Press the menu button to exit programming mode. Setting water hardness. The descale message is displayed after the appliance has been operated for a factory set period of time calculated on the basis of the maximum quantity of lime scale which may be contained in the water used. If necessary, this period of operation can be extended, making descaling less frequent by programming the appliance based on the actual lime content in the water used. Proceed as follows. Remove the total hardness test strip from its packaging, then dip it fully in the water tank for a few seconds. Remove it and wait about 30 seconds until it changes color and a number of red dots are formed. Turn the appliance on by pressing the on-off button. Press the menu button, then press the next button repeatedly until the appliance displays Water Hardness 4. Press the change button repeatedly until the number coincides with the number of red squares on the test strip. Press the OK button to confirm the value. The coffee maker is now programmed to provide the descaling warning when necessary based on the actual hardness of the water. Resetting factory default settings. If you change the original values, the factory default values can be reset as follows. Press the menu button, then press the next button repeatedly until the appliance displays Reset to Default No. Press the Change button and the appliance displays Reset to Default Yes. Press the OK button to reset the factory default values. The appliance is now reset to the factory default settings and the ready message is displayed.